Today we are expanding upon the summer to fall capsule wardrobe by adding a pair of wide leg jeans. These were my best-selling item from last winter, and so they are great to add to the fall wardrobe that will take you on into winter. Before I forget, tell me where you are watching from in the comments. I love reading where you are from. If I don't know where you're from, I always look it up. It genuinely makes me happy to see where everyone's watching from. Also, you can shop these outfits by scanning the QR code in the screen, or you can shop through the link in the description. So this first pair of wide leg jeans that I'm wearing here were by far and away my best-selling item from last winter. Don't be worried that they're a lighter wash. That's a misnomer that you can't wear a light wash in winter. But I am barely 5'1" with a 26-inch inseam. They rest right on the top of my foot as a wide leg jean should. And they come in petite, regular, and tall length. This next pairing is not what I would typically wear with a lady coat cardigan, but it does pair with a pair of wide leg jeans quite nicely. So usually with a lady coat cardigan like this one, I would go with a pair of black pants or a skirt. But this looks really nice with jeans and certainly with the Mary Jane ballet flats. Usually I would go for loafers, but I do like how this outfit comes together. And I talk about why I chose this bag with the outfit in the previous summer to fall capsule wardrobe video. And I'm not going to go through every combination from the summer to fall capsule wardrobe that you can wear with wide leg jeans, but I do want to note that this is a different cardigan than what I showed in the original video. It is a lighter cashmere cotton fabric that I really love. This is the one I wanted to show you originally. It's a great layering piece because it is so thin and it can be layered and worn on into fall and into the winter months as well. But it looks really fabulous with wide leg jeans and ballet flats. Now let's quickly talk about the proper length for wide leg jeans. They should come right to the tops of the foot like I'm showing you here. This right here is too short, so I'm wearing heels here and these are a little too high water for wide leg jeans. So if I'm going to wear heels, I go to a longer pair of wide leg jeans. The ones I first showed you are from Madewell. The longer pair here are from Ann Taylor. The Madewell jeans are a thicker fabric. The Ann Taylor are a lighter, more flexible fabric. So you'll see here that the Ann Taylor, when worn with flat shoes, on me at least, drag the ground. That's not the proper length. Here they come right to the tops of my foot with heels, and this is the proper length for wide leg jeans. Looks really nice with a blazer and heels. Until we meet again, my friends.